I'll come back again to unwrap the lecture on C++ programming language, and in this video show we're going to look at if-else statement. So if-else statement is another type of statement that is used to give decision in C++. So it's another type of decision-making statement. So what this does is, it helps us to give more clarity to the work or the assignment we are giving to the computer. So when you tell the computer to do something and that fails, what else can be done? It will not just stop like that. There should be an else condition so that if you go here, I didn't meet what you're supposed to do, else go ahead and do this. So let's go ahead and create an integer variable, and I'm going to say int x equal to 20 and put semicolon at the end. So let us move this to the next line, if-else statement. Alright, so I'll go ahead and say if x is greater than 20, if x is greater than 20, then cout. So cout, I'm going to say this is high condition. This is high condition. Now, if this goes off and say if x is greater than 20, now let's check it out. If else statement is printed out. So in this case, we need another thing to support it, and that is an else. So you can go ahead and add else and say else cout. This is an alternative condition. So this is an alternative condition. And that is it. So let's run this code and check it out. This is an alternative condition because x is not equal to y. Sorry, x is not equal to 20. Therefore, it doesn't mean the condition that's supposed to print out the high condition. It went out and print out the next one that is a variable. Alright? It printed out the next one that is a variable, and that is an alternative condition. Okay, so whenever you have an if statement, it is always necessary to bring in an else if statement. That is why it is called if-else statement. Alright? So, practice with this is very straightforward. I hope there is nothing to waste time on this. I believe it's straight and you can understand it. Put it on your laptop, play around with it, and check it out. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.